In this video, I'll show you how to record a lecture video using Microsoft Teams. It's a desktop app which I downloaded here. You can see it on my desktop. So if I click into it and click on Calendar on the left, and if I click on Meet Now, this is creating essentially a meeting with myself. And as you can see, you can toggle the video on or off, whatever you're comfortable with. It might be a good idea that when you're first introducing the video to show yourself, it personalizes it for your students, kind of makes them feel like they're actually here with you. But I'm going to toggle it off for now so we're not just looking at me. So if I click on Join Now, I'm going into the meeting. This is just a meeting with myself. So when it goes full screen like that, you know that you're in the meeting. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is, for example, if you wanted to do an introduction to your students, toggle your video on. And to record the video, because this isn't recording automatically, if you click on the three little buttons here and click on Start Recording. So now I'd give my video introduction if I wanted to, toggle my video off if I wanted to. To share, for example, a presentation or another screen on your computer, if you click on the little up arrow here, Share. And here on the left-hand side, you'll see all the active screens that I have open. So if I go into my, my presentation here, and I'll give my presentation as though I was talking to the students, and then to end it, I'll click on the little X down here, Stop Sharing. So that's my lecture recorded. When I've finished, what I'll do is click on the three little arrows again and click on Stop Recording and confirm that, and I'll hang up that call then.